CryptoEL here, welcome, subscribe to the channel and let's see what we have today. So we're gonna talk about grass, of course, one more time, because something big just arrived. As you can see, if you go, here you have new task. If you click store, you have the grass desktop node. In the last video, we just downloaded the community node and we set it up. But now there is a beta test or whatever for 2x income, 2x grass. So good, really big opportunity. So what you have to do actually, if you went to their Twitter, it is a invite only beta. What that means? That means that we're gonna read through that in a second, but that means you have to go to the store and to check by yourself. Just click the download button and check by yourself on get download code to check if you are reliable, to check your reliability. Connect your wallet. Unfortunately, I am not one of those lucky people. But this node is lightweight standalone application that is designed to run on any desktop. They have the Mac on Intel, Mac OS, Silicon, Linux and Windows. Of course there are installation instructions, and if you are reliable for this, just do it. You can check here their instructions. Whatever you have to do, it should be simple. Also, there is the current Epoch 7 is the last one. I was talking about that in the previous video. But this Epoch will end on August 14. So don't miss the opportunity to be the part of grass if you are not already. Go in the link in the description. There will be referral code and you're gonna become one of my referrals. I'm not promoting it that strong, that's why I don't have people in it. But as you can see, we are growing. And soon those grass could be real money. So what to do if you don't have code, right? That's what you were asking. Kinda, you cannot do anything, but also I've seen that there are some codes in here. Some people that are asking, and you simply can come here and ask for a code. And some people could give some codes, but probably it will be reach the maximum downloads. But you simply can ask and pray. So yeah. And now what is the actual news? Invite only beta, because they want to make it faster and cheaper. Okay, today we're excited to introduce desktop node. As you can see, you can read it, and it's being sent only to selected group of users. Because I'm using grass for the past few months, where it was Epoch 3, I'm here from closed beta, so I'm using this thing. I think my first day where it was actually, no, my first day was here. So the Epoch 1 on the February of 4th, something like that, because I have just 1 day or 2 days in the beginning of the February, something like that. You can check my first video about grass, it was somewhere in there. So it's been like 6 months or whatever, yeah, something like that, 6-7 months, and I'm not available. So only probably people from close beta, closed alpha I mean, So if you are from January or something, you can check. Yes, you can check if you're liable. If no, you can ask about a quote, and if you see it, write down a comment below what we have to expect or something. But this thing will multiply your income on 2x. Also, with user privacy always being our top priority, we've gone through a 3-month audit to ensure Grassnode is compliant. That's pretty good. That's why they were posting this thing, the App Esteem certification. And like you can see here, you can click it and you can see that they have everything needed. Certificated apps. This is something that is probably using for certificating apps. And yeah, this platform is building trust day by day to people like us that we are trying to do something that matters. So I know this video was just simple like that, a quick update. I hope some of you are reliable for this thing, and I'm gonna keep you in touch for the future, and we'll see. In the moment it opens, I'll try to give my best and to make it happen. So thank you for your time and see you soon.